In this video, we will learn about the enum and the object in TypeScript. So the first is enum. To define enum, we use the enum keyword, and then the name of the enum. I will use, for example, we have the enum named gender, and after that we use the curly brackets, and inside the curly brackets we will define some value for the enum. The gender has male and female. Okay, and now to assign the enum, we can create a variable. For example, employee gender, the data type is gender. We can assign by the gender dot female, for example. Okay, so this is enum and how we use the enum. Next, we will go to the object. So object is something like an object has the property, not has many or some properties, like a key value or something like a JSON format, and maybe have the method. Okay, an object, when we create object directly by using something like JSON format, we don't need to use a template like a class or a type of data. So to create an object directly, we can use the curly bracket and define something inside them. Okay, for example, we have an object named person and curly brackets, and inside the curly brackets we have maybe the first name J, for example, and the last name engineer, maybe. So these are properties. Okay, we can also provide the method for the object. For example, I can create a method named say hello, and the method is a function, right? And define a function here, and inside the function I just use console to log a hello text into the console. Okay, and now we can use the person object. Here you can call the method say hello. You can also access the properties inside the object. For example, I can print the first name inside the person like this. Okay, just run to see. Okay, you can see here the hello comes from calling the method say hello, and the J here printed by the console by access the first name from the person object. Okay, that's all for this video, and if you like the video, please click on the button likes and subscribe channel. Alright, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.